If you want to start selling products online, Shopify makes it simple to set up a store and start accepting orders quickly. Start by going to the Shopify website and signing up with your email and store name. Choose a plan or start with a free trial to access the admin dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, go to Products and click Add Product. Enter the product title, description, images, price, and any variants like size or color. Save the product once all details are complete. Next, customize your online store by selecting themes and using the editor to adjust design elements like colors, fonts, and layout. Set up payment methods under Settings to accept credit cards, PayPal, or other payment options, and configure shipping rates for your products. Once everything is set up, publish your store to make it live and start selling. After publishing, your Shopify store is live and ready to sell products to customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.